Hey Rachel, can you do me a small favor?
Sure, what do you need?
One of the service techs asked if we could bring this down to the shop.
A TRP No-Ream Kingpin kit?
Yeah, the truck being worked on needs a replacement.
Did the driver encounter some warning signs?
The tech said improper lubrication in the bushings caused the contact points to wear. And I guess the truck was driving pretty rough and there was a lot of uneven front tire wear.
I see. Well, I'm sure the owner will be glad that the TRP No-Ream Kingpin kit has a 2-year, 250,000-mile warranty.
Exactly. The TRP No-Ream Kingpin kits are made with quality steel using state-of-the-art heat treatment for maximum strength and wear resistance.
These kits also have a spiral bushing design that allows the kingpin to be replaced without pressing and reaming the bushings. This significantly reduces the installation time compared to the standard pressed in kingpin bushings.
That is great information.
I will run this out to the tech so they can get the truck back on the road.
I'm sure that'll make the driver very happy.